The Chinese Y-8Q anti-submarine aircraft has been making headlines recently, as reports suggest, and has been designed specifically to hunt US nuclear submarines. This advanced aircraft is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including sonar detection equipment and other advanced sensors. The Y-8Q is a modified version of the Y-8 transport plane and has been designed to provide the Chinese Navy with an edge over its American rivals in the contested waters of the South China Sea, with the ability to detect and track submarines from long distances. The Y-8Q can quickly relay information back to naval vessels, allowing them to track and engage, while the Chinese government has not officially confirmed the Y-8Q's anti-submarine capabilities. Analysts believe that it is part of a larger strategy to challenge US military dominance in the region. The South China Sea is one of the most heavily contested areas in the world as tensions continue to rise between the US and China. Y-8Q anti-submarine patrol aircraft has witnessed great improvements based on Y-8 high-tech special aircraft platform, especially for the loading of anti-submarine self-guided torpedoes, depth bombs and airdrop depth charges. It has a large weapon cabin and has undergone a substantial modification of the fuselage structure, according to military analyst Wolong Defense Review. Military report disclosed for the first time that Y-8Q anti-submarine aircraft carried a new weapon different from the common Yu-7 anti-submarine airdrop self-guided torpedo, that is, an airdrop depth charge with a self-guided system, compared to a 324mm Yu-7. Its size is much smaller. One Y-8Q can carry many of them. Besides, compared to high cost of torpedoes, airdrop depth charges are unpowered, without complicated motors and steering gears, and its acoustic self-guided device is much simpler than passive sonar seekers on torpedoes and therefore much cheaper. In appearance, this newly developed airdrop depth charge is very similar to the Russia's ZAGON-2 Sagon-2, which weighs 120 kilograms with a 35 kilograms warhead. Its shaped high-explosive jet can penetrate the pressure hull of a nuclear submarine, and it has a parachute at the tail. After being thrown into the sea, it can suspend in the sea or at a certain depth for about 4 minutes. Once the actively launched acoustic self-guide system locks the enemy submarine below it, it will fall freely, sinking and damaging it. Its maximum combat depth can reach 600 meters. The development of the Y-8Q is just one example of the growing military authorization of the region. It remains to be seen how the Y-8Q and other advanced weapon systems will shape the balance of power in the South China Sea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.